The laziest dinner hack. Rice cooker cheats Oyakodon. 150g of rice, Japanese short grain rice. Rinse the rice until the water runs clear. Drain the rinsed rice thoroughly. $70g of onion, cut into half moons. $10g of mitsuba, chop roughly. $140g of chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. Two teaspoons of sake, 2 teaspoons of mirin, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well to combine. One tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, half teaspoon of dashi powder. Mix well. Add the well-drained rinsed rice to the rice cooker pot. 180 ml of water. Add the pre-made sauce. Mix well. Add the sliced onion. Spread the onion evenly. Add the seasoned chicken. Spread the chicken evenly. Place the cooker pot in the rice cooker. Cook on your rice cooker's regular white rice setting. Two eggs are beaten just before the rice is finished cooking. Some people like to leave a little bit of the egg white. When the rice is done, pour the beaten egg evenly. Close the lid and wait for 15 minutes on warm mode. Finally, garnish with the cut mitzvah or parsley. 今日の料理は親子丼風炊き込みご飯でした。Enjoy!